Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that's close to the heart. Early childhood education accessibility. Sounds serious. Well, it is, but it's also about giving every kid a fair shot to dream big, learn well, and grow strong. So, let's break it down together. What is early childhood education atau ECE? Alright, first thing first, early childhood education or ECE is all about learning that happens from birth up to around age 8. This is the golden stage. Kids are like little sponges. Everything they see, hear, and feel shapes their future. Good ICE isn't ABC and numbers. It's about social skills, creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. Why accessibility matters? Now, here's the deal. Not every child gets the same start in life. Some have access to great schools, books, and teachers. Others, not so much. When we talk about accessibility, we mean making sure all kids, no matter where they from, can get quality early education. Because if we wait until later, the gap gets harder to close. Barriers to accessibility. So, what's stopping us? One is economic barriers. Education costs money and not all families can afford it. Two, geographic barriers. Rural areas often have fewer schools and teachers. Three, social barriers. Sometimes culture or social norms limit opportunities for girls or marginalized groups. Four, for special needs barriers. Kids with disability often get left out if there's no inclusive system. The benefits of accessible ECE. When all kids have access to a quality ECE, amazing things happen. Better academic performance later. They do better in school. Improved social skills. They know how to work in teams and communicate. Higher chance of breaking poverty cycles. Education open doors. More equal society. Everyone gets a fair start. Strategies to improve accessibility. So, how do we make it happen? Government support, funding, subsidies, free preschool programs, community involvement, local centers, volunteer programs, parents education, teacher training. Well-trained teachers can adapt lessons for all children. Technology, online learning tools, radio, TV programs for remote areas. Inclusive curriculum. Make sure it works for kids with different needs and backgrounds. Real world examples. Countries like Finland and New Zealand have shown that accessible ECE can be a game changer. In Indonesia, programs like PAUD, Pendidikan Anak Usia Dini, are helping more kids get early education, but there's still work to do. Overall, it's not just about governments or NGOs. We can all help. Volunteer, donate, spread awareness, or simply share learning resource. Sometimes, just giving your time to teach kids in your community can change their future. So, here's the takeaway. Early childhood education is not a luxury, it's a necessity. When we make it accessible for everyone, we are not just teaching kids, we are building the foundation for a stronger, smarter, and fairer world. Let's open those doors for every child. Thank you for listening and see you again. Bye bye.